Let's measure things.
Measure?
Yeah, measure things.
Measure.
Nice. Okay. Here are
Kangaroos.
kangaroos. Let's jump like kangaroos. Kangaroos. Nice. Now, we have a orange kangaroo.
Orange kangaroo.
Yellow kangaroo.
Yellow kangaroo. Purple kangaroo.
Yes.
Ooh, blue kangaroo.
Okay.
Green kangaroo.
Yes. Now, let's put all the kangaroos in order from very small, very
short.
Very short.
Very short?
Yeah.
Short.
To
very tall.
Okay. Choose a kangaroo.
Can I play, please?
Yes, you can.
The yellow kangaroo.
Yellow kangaroo. Where is the yellow kangaroo?
Here.
Interesting. Okay. Can I play?
Can I play?
Yes, you can. Ooh.
The orange kangaroo.
Orange kangaroo. Very good.
Here.
Oh. The orange kangaroo fell down. Okay.
Can I play?
Yes, you can.
Of
course, with your group, it will be different students. It's just the two of us now to show you guys.
The purple kangaroo.
Purple kangaroo.
Purple kangaroo.
Wait. Look.
Let's
change, okay?
Okay.
Let's change. Okay.
Can I play?
Yes, you can.
Please. Ooh, the green kangaroo.
Green kangaroo. Haha. Green kangaroo.
Here.
Interesting. And the last one?
Can I play?
Yes, you can.
Oh.
Oh!
Blue kangaroo.
The blue kangaroo. And the blue kangaroo is?
It's tall.
It's tall.
It's tall.
Let's change.
Okay.
Yes.
Yellow. Blue.
Now, are the kangaroos in order? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Short. Tall.
Okay, hey, let's measure the kangaroos. Okay? Measure. Let's measure the kangaroos. Okay, so, right here. This kangaroo, here.
This
Kangaroo is one. Is one. One dot, okay? Don't write as numbers because really small kids, okay? You want to write dots like on a die. Is one. Okay.
This one.
Ooh.
This kangaroo is.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Okay. Green
kangaroo.
This kangaroo
Let's count.
is 1, 2, 3.
3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's continue.
Orange. This kangaroo is 1, 2.
2. Okay. Of course, you keep changing the student.
This kangaroo is 1, 2, 3, 4.
Excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent.
I
Good
did
job.
it.
High five.
I did it.
Thanks, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.